Alright, we are going to take a look at how to log in to Destiny Quest when you are doing it for the very first time. So what you need to do is go up to the very top where you will see the login button and click. Since you don't already have an account, you're going to click Create New Account and you will enter your last name. For your barcode, you're going to enter your student ID number or your lunch number. Then you will have to enter your birth date. Click Next. And then you will have to come up with your username, a password, and enter your email. For your username, we would like you to put your first and last name with no space. For your password, we would like you to use your student ID number. And you will confirm your password and then put in your email. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see all of the updates that you have done or that your friends have done. Notice over to the side, on the right side, that you have 3 different shelves where you can place your books. You have a Have Read shelf where once you've already read a book, you put it in that shelf. You have a shelf for now reading, so anything that you're currently reading, you put in that shelf. And then you have a shelf for all the books that you want to read. If you look over to the left side, then you can see that all of these are linked, and it's kind of like Facebook or any social media site where you have an inbox where people can send you messages. You can see who your friends are. You can adjust your preferences. You can look at your shelves over on that side as well. And you can look at any updates. So that's kind of a live feed of what people are saying about the books that you've put into your shelves. Another thing that you can do is go ahead and look up a book. I'm going to put in Twilight. So you're going to see Twilight come up and then any book that has Twilight in its name. So I'm going to click on this original Twilight book. And you'll notice it has stars up here. The stars mean that it's been reviewed. And if we look, it's been reviewed 17 times. You can review a book now that you're logged in too. You just go down here to Reviews and add a review. You can give a book however many stars you think it deserves and give a little description of why you thought it got that many stars. And then, once the media specialist approves your review, it will show up anytime someone looks for that book. Destiny Quest is really neat because it shows you the covers of the books as you're looking through them. Another thing that you can do is you can search for books through the way they are sitting on the shelves. So if I look up Twilight again, and I click on Shelf Browse, then I'm going to see Twilight, but I'm also going to see all the books that are sitting on the shelf in the library next to that book. And down here you can see you've got a little dial where you can move it, and as you move it you see all the books that are sitting on the shelves, which is kind of a cool way to look at all the different books that your library has. Now let's say that I want to put this book on a shelf. So I have Cinder here and I have decided I want to add this to a shelf and I want to put it on my Want to Read shelf. And I click on Want to Read and then I just add it to that list, and now it will appear in my list. So when I go over here to my Want to Read, there it is. And I can see if there's any reviews, I can see how long it is, when it's published, all of that. So Destiny Quest is an easy place for you to kind of gather all of your books in one place, talk about books with your friends, recommend books to other friends, and maybe get some ideas of what you should read next.